Good day students, in this video I will show you how to solve some questions from chapter 2 quadratic equations, subtopic 2.2 solving quadratic equations. Question 1, determine the roots of each quadratic equation by factorization. Okay, so question A, 3x in bracket x minus 1 equals to 2x equals to 2 in bracket 2x minus 1, so we expand that. So when we expand, hold on. Okay, so when we expand, we get 3x square minus 3x equals to 4x minus 2. Rearrange everything on the left of the equation. 3x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. So simplify 3x square minus 7x plus 2 equals to 0. Since the question asked us to do the factorization, so I'll factor this equation, the quadratic equation. So how? Okay, first I'll open up two brackets. Okay, equals to 0. Okay, 3x squared I'll split into 2, so I'll get 3x and x. That's where you write your 3x squared when you split into 2. Okay, so this is 3x squared. When I split into 2, I get 3x and x. Split into 2 means you multiply these 2 and you get 3x squared. And then you have to look at 2. Okay, 2 break into 2, so you get 1 multiply 2, you get 2. So I'll place my 1 here and my 2 here. Why? Because my aim is to get negative 7x. Okay, now it's negative 7, so 3x multiply with negative 2, that's how it is, and therefore my 2 here is a negative. So you get negative 6x and minus 1x, so my 1 here is also a negative. So done with my factorization. Okay, now assume the term in the first bracket is 0, so 3x minus 1 equals to 0. 3x equals to 1, x equals to 1 over 3. Okay, that's for my first bracket. So second bracket, x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. Okay, I'm done with that. So I can write the roots of the equation are 1 over 3 and 2. That will be the answer. Moving on for question B. Question B, 2x minus 3 x minus 1 equals to 6. So we multiply this quadratic, the factored quadratic equation on my left, and then after that we bring 6 in, and then we get another quadratic equation which we have to factor again. Okay, so this factors is already been factored here on the left of the equation. We expand that, so 2x multiply x, you get 2x square minus 2x minus 3x, negative 3 and negative 1, you get a plus 3 minus 6. Okay, you bring 6 to the left of the equation, 0. So simplify 2x square minus 2x square minus 5x. 3 minus x is minus 3 equals to 0. Now need to factor this again. So I'll put 2 brackets. Okay, so how to factor this? 2x square, break it in 2 terms, you get 2x and x. Negative 3, break it in 2 terms. When you multiply, you get negative 3. So you get 3 and 1. So how shall I put my 3 and 1? So I'll put my 3 here. Put my 1 here. It's a try and error. Okay. So in the center, we need to have negative 5x. So how to get negative 5x is 2x need to be multiplied with negative 1. And becomes negative 2x, and here we need to get negative 3x, so also negative 3. So from the first bracket, 2x minus 3 equals to 0, 2x equals to 3, x equals to 3 over 2. Okay, let me check my equation to check whether it's correct or not. Oh, okay, I made a mistake here. It's negative 3, but this one I will not get negative 3. I get positive 3. Okay, in that case, this one. Okay, so I will hold on. Delete this. I'll change the way I place my 3 and 1. So I'll put my 1 here and my 3 here. So I get okay, I must get negative 5. So negative 3. Okay, the sign here should be plus. Okay, I think now it's correct. Yeah. So the term from the first bracket should be 0. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. 2x equals to negative 1. X equals to negative 1 over 2. Now from the second bracket, terms from the second bracket, x minus 3 equals to 0. X equals to 3. So those are the roots of the equation. So I can write that the roots of the equation are negative 1 over 2 and 3. Okay, that will be the answer. Move on to C. C is 9 minus 2 over x equals to 4x. So I'll multiply this equation with x to eliminate the denominator x in negative 2 over x, to eliminate this x. Okay, so multiply the equation with x. So what I will get 9x minus 2 equals to 4x square. Okay, so rearrange the terms. 4x square minus 9x plus 2 plus 2 equals to 0. Factor that. Okay, two brackets as usual, equals to 0. So I'll put 4x and x, and the numbers 2 and 1, I'll put 2 over here, 1 over here, so it'll become negative x minus negative 2, and here I think it's negative 2, yeah, negative 1. Okay, let me check if my factorization is correct. Yes, it is correct. Okay, now assume that the terms from the first bracket is 0, so 4x minus 1 equals to 0, 4x equals to 1, x equals hold on, x equals to 1 over 4. Okay, done for the first root. Now I go for the second root, the second bracket. X minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. So those are the roots of this equation which I found through factorization. So I can write that the roots of the equation are 1 over 4 and 2. Okay, that will be the answer for the question C. See you again in the next video. Bye.